Welcome to RES IT Store Tutorial 6060, Service Publications and Service Templates. This tutorial explains how to configure service publications and service templates. Service publications and service templates makes it possible for RES Workspace Manager to use RES IT Store services as access principals when configuring managed applications and objects like printers and settings. It is also possible to create new RES IT Store services when configuring these items. This allows for self-service capabilities in RES Workspace Composer to gain access to applications, printers, and settings. In RES Automation Manager, service publications and service templates make it possible to create an IT Store service of a runbook and include that runbook into a service. This makes it possible to publish runbooks as a service in the RES IT Store web portal for delegation and self-service. The first step of integration is to configure service templates. A service template is a pre-configured service that makes it possible to create new RES IT services directly from the RES Workspace Manager and RES Automation Manager consoles. Once services are converted to a template, you can make them available in a service publication. A service publication is a container that holds all service templates and/or published services that are made available for use by RES Workspace Manager and/or RES Automation Manager. Let's open our RES IT Store console and navigate to Service Catalog. New RES IT 2014 installations contain the service category templates. This category contains the default service templates for Workspace Template and Runbook Template. You can use these templates as a basis for RES Automation Manager and RES Workspace Manager integration. To convert a standard service to a service template, the service must meet specific criteria. First, the service has no subscribers. The service is not already used in the service publication, and the service is not referenced by other services. Select the service that you want to convert to a template. Click Edit this service. This opens a service window. On the Properties tab, select Use as Template. Click OK to close the service window. This service will now be shown in the Service Catalog section with a different icon. Also, its name will have changed. Click Setup, Service Publications. This opens a service publication window. A new RES IT Store environment contains two default service publications, RES Workspace Manager and RES Automation Manager. The RES Workspace Manager publication allows you to integrate RES IT Store into RES Workspace Manager and use these services as access control rules for application, printers, and other objects in the Workspace Manager. The RES Automation Manager publication allows you to integrate RES IT Store into Automation Manager and use services to invoke runbooks. You can configure new service publications by clicking Add, but let's assume we want to configure the service publications for RES Workspace Manager and make templates available for use in RES Workspace Manager. Select the service publication Workspace Manager and click Edit. This opens the Publication RES Workspace Manager window. Click the Publish Templates tab. You will notice the pre-configured service publication already contains the pre-configured service template Workspace template, but we want to add the service template we just configured. Click Add. This opens a Select window. Select the service template that you configured earlier and click OK. In RES Workspace Manager, you can also use already existing services as access principals for managed applications and objects like printers and settings. To configure this, click the Publish Services tab. Click Add to add a service. This opens a Select window. Select a service and click OK. The selected service will now be used as a published service in the service publication RES Workspace Manager. Contrary to a service template, published services can still be used as regular services in the RES IT Store environment. The next thing to do is to configure the RES IT Store integration in RES Workspace Manager, after which the service publications can be used in RES Workspace Manager. This concludes this RES IT Store tutorial. For additional information on RES IT Store and RES IT Suite, please visit www.ressoftware.com.